Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Are you trying to play a video on your iPhone but seeing this message? This video is unavailable because it was not backup. Don't worry, in this video I will show you exact how to fix it properly step by step. So this message appeared when a video was stored temporarily on your iPhone but never successfully backup to iCloud. Once the original file is removed or lost, the video became unavailable on your device. That's why you will get this type of problem. Here are the most common causes behind this issue. iCloud photo was turned off, video backup was paused due to low storage, poor internet during upload, iPhone storage was full, or low power mode stop background upload. These are the most common reason behind this error. So let's fix it step by step. Now you need to open your iPhone settings. In the iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID and open iCloud. From here you need to open photos. Make sure iCloud photos is on. Okay, this allow video to upload automatically to iCloud, and then you need to check your iCloud storage. Once again, you need to open your iPhone setting, tap on your Apple ID, open the iCloud. From here and scroll down. Here you can get the option manage storage. Okay, if the storage is full, video will not backup. Free up some space or upgrade iCloud storage if needed. You need to remember this thing, guys. One more thing you need to remember this, guys. Keep iPhone on Wi-Fi and charging. Upload your large video only when Wi-Fi is connected, iPhone is charging, and leave your phone like this for some time. It will fix your problem. Also, you need to turn off low power mode. To turn off this, guys, in your iPhone, open setting once again. In the settings, tap on battery. In the battery, you need to turn off the low power mode. Okay, low power mode block background upload include video. That's why you need to disable it. Also, you need to enable mobile data for iCloud. To do this, guys, in your iPhone settings, scroll down and find out photos. Search and open the photos app, and from here you need to find out mobile data. Open it and just need to turn on mobile data. And also if your data is more, you need to also enable the unlimited updates. If you want video to upload without Wi-Fi, okay, you need to enable unlimited updates option from here. Important reality check, guys. If video was never backup and is no longer stored locally, it cannot be recovered, but following this step will prevent this issue permanently. Final advice is this, guys. Always keep iCloud photos enabled, maintain enough iCloud storage, and let your iPhone upload video fully. Okay, if this video help you out to fix this issue, so please like the video and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more real tech fixes. See you in the next video.